Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum. My dear students, how are you all? Hope you are doing well. I am your teacher Aksa Majid. Now open your social studies books and keep your stationery with you.
Dear students, this is a boy. Here is his head with hair. Grab your hair, touch your head. Yes, very good. He has eyes to see, a nose to smell, ears to hear, and a mouth to eat and talk. These are his arms and hands. And here is his elbow. These are his legs with thighs, knees, and calf, feet to walk and run. Great. Now touch your own body parts and say their names. We will watch a video and recall our body parts.
This is my body. It's so amazing. This is my body. Let's learn the parts and sing. This is my head. This is my head. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. This is my nose. This is my nose. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. These are my ears. These are my ears. This is my tongue. This is my tongue. This is my chin. This is my chin. This is my neck. This is my neck. This is my body. It's so amazing. This is my body. Let's learn the parts and sing. These are my shoulders. These are my shoulders. This is my chest. This is my chest. This is my tummy. This is my tummy. This is my back. This is my back. These are my hands. These are my hands. These are my arms. These are my arms. These are my legs. These are my legs. These are my feet. These are my feet. My body is really cool. There's so much it can do. My hands can clap, my hips can shake, my body can dance too. My body has many parts. In the middle of your chest is your heart. My head is high, my toes are low, my feet can run so far. This is my body. It's so amazing.
Here is a boy. He is running. Now, dear students, you will tell me which body part he is using to run. Yes, legs and feet for running. What the girl is eating? She is eating watermelon. She is using her mouth for eating. My children, here is a girl. She has done a great job. Guess what she is doing? She is writing with her hands. Dear students, you have memorized the body parts. Now we will open page number 9, exercise A. The first point, this is my foot. You will write foot in blank. F O O T, foot. I use it to walk. In the second blank, this is my hand. Here you can see a picture. He is grabbing toys with hands. So you will write hand in the blank. This is my hand. I use it to touch things. In this slide, you can see a girl. What she is doing? Yes, she is listening to music. Which body part she is using to hear? Ear. This is my dash. So you will write ear. E-A-R, ear. This is my ear. I use it to hear sounds. In the next picture, a girl is smelling flour. Which body part she is using? Nose. This is my dash. So you will write nose. N-O-S-E, nose. I use it to smell things. Number 5. This is my eye. E-Y-E, eye. I use it to see things. Number 6. This is my tongue. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. I use it to taste things. Look at the boy. Yes, he is eating ice cream with his tongue. Dear children, look at this girl. Her name is Sarah. Can you say Sarah? Great. Sarah has black hairs. Her hair is dark like the night. Her eyes are black too. See how pretty they are. So today we are learning about colors of hair and eyes. Can you tell me what color Sarah's hairs and eyes are? Yes, black. Now we will read. This is Sarah. She has black hairs. Her eyes are black. Look everyone, this is Tim. Can you see his hair? Yes, it is brown. And look at his eyes. They are brown too. Brown like chocolate. Yummy. So, Tim has brown hair and brown eyes. So, in the blank, you will write brown. B-R-O-W-N. Brown. Now we will read. This is Tim. He has brown hairs. His eyes are brown. Have you completed your worksheet up till now? Well done. Dear students, here is an activity for you. Now you will look in the mirror which color your hair and eyes have. You will write the color of your hair and eyes in the blank. Dear students, Now open page number 10 of your social studies book. Here is exercise C. True or false? You can see a man smiling here. This is Najib. Look at the picture and mark the statement as true or false. Dear children, we will read the statement together and mark it as true or false. Look, the man, Najib, he is smiling or sad? Yes, he is a happy man. Statement 1. Najib has 3 arms. Count his arms with me. 1, 2. Yes, he has 2 arms. So the statement is false. Statement 2. He has 2 ears. Count his ears. Yes, this statement is true. He has 2 ears. Statement 3. His hair is gray. No, his hairs are dark. So this statement is false. Statement 4. Najib's eyes are green. Dear students, look at his eyes. He has dark eyes. So this statement is also false. Great job, everyone. You looked carefully and answered all the questions. You are amazing. See you in the next. Thank you.